In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a video in PowerPoint step by step, even if you've never done it before. This is a really useful skill if you want to turn a presentation into a video for YouTube, school, business, tutorials, or social media. You can add text, images, shapes, animations, transitions, audio, and then export everything as a proper MP4 video. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and create a new presentation. Once you're in, start building your slides just like you normally would. The key here is to think of each slide as a scene in your video. Add your text to explain your message clearly. Keep it simple and easy to read. Then insert any images you want to include, whether that's screenshots, product photos, icons, or illustrations. You can also add shapes to highlight important points, create call-out boxes, or make your slides look more polished and professional. As you build your slides, try to keep a consistent style across the whole presentation. Use the same font family, similar colors, and a clean layout so your video feels smooth and organized. If you're making a tutorial, you might want to keep each slide focused on one step. If you're making a promotional video, each slide could focus on one message or benefit. The better your slides are designed, the better your final video will look. Now let's move to the next part, which is adding transitions and animations. Transitions are the effects that happen between slides. These help your video feel more dynamic instead of just jumping from one slide to the next. To add them, click on the slide and go to the Transitions tab. Choose the transition style you want, such as fade, push, wipe, or morph, depending on your version of PowerPoint. You don't need anything too flashy unless that fits your style. A clean transition often works best for most videos. Next, animations are for the objects on the slide, like text boxes, pictures, or shapes. Animations control how those elements appear, move, or disappear. To add one, select the object you want to animate, then go to the Animations tab and choose an effect. For example, you can make text appear one line at a time, have an image zoom in, or make a shape fly in from the side. This is a great way to guide your audience's attention and make the video feel more engaging. Once your transitions and animations are set, it's time to control the timing. This part is important because it determines how long each slide stays on screen and how your video flows. Go to the Transitions tab, then look for the timing section. Here, you'll find the After option. Check it and set the number of seconds you want each slide to stay visible, for example 3 seconds. If your slide has a lot of text, you may want to give it a little more time. If it's a simple visual slide, you might use less. After setting the timing on one slide, click Apply to All if you want the same timing for every slide in your presentation. This is really helpful when you want all slides to move at a consistent pace, but if some slides need more time than others, you can adjust them individually instead. Take a moment to preview the presentation and make sure the timing feels natural. The goal is to make sure viewers have enough time to read and understand each slide without feeling rushed. Now, if you want to make your video even better, you can add audio. This part is optional, but it can really improve the final result. Go to Insert, then choose Audio. From there, you can add a voiceover or background music. If you're adding a voiceover, make sure your narration is clear and matches the timing of your slides. If you're adding music, keep it soft enough that it doesn't distract from the content. Audio can make your PowerPoint video feel much more complete and professional. You can also adjust the playback settings for your audio if needed, so it starts automatically or plays across multiple slides. If you're creating a lesson or a product demo, a voiceover can help explain each step in more detail. If you're making a more visual video, music alone might be enough. Just make sure the audio supports the message instead of overpowering it. Now that your slides, transitions, animations, timing, and audio are ready, it's time for the final step, exporting the presentation as a video. This is what turns your PowerPoint into a real video file that you can upload or share anywhere. To do that, click File, then Export, then select Create a Video. PowerPoint will give you a few options here, including the video quality. Choose the quality that fits your needs. If you want a higher quality video for YouTube or professional use, choose a better resolution. If you just need a smaller file, you can choose a lower setting. Once you've selected the quality, click Create Video. PowerPoint will ask you where you want to save it, and it will usually export the file as an MP4. That format is great because it works on most devices and platforms. Depending on the length of your presentation and the amount of media inside it, the export may take a little while, so be patient while PowerPoint renders everything. When the export is finished, open the file and check your video from start to finish. Make sure the slides change correctly, the animations work the way you want, the timing feels right, and the audio sounds good. If anything looks off, go back into PowerPoint, make your edits, and export again. A quick review at the end can save you from uploading a video with mistakes. And that's it. You've now learned how to make a video in PowerPoint from start to finish. You created your slides, added transitions and animations, set the timing, included audio if you wanted to, and exported everything as an MP4 video. It's a simple process once you know the steps, and it's a great way to make polished videos without any special editing software. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.